Hello everyone. The topic of my project is coronavirus analysis using MySQL. So these are the contents of the project. Let us begin with the introduction. The coronavirus pandemic has reshaped daily lives globally. It has had serious impacts on the public health and has created an urgent need for data-driven insights to understand the spread of the virus. This analysis of coronavirus data using SQL aims to uncover key insights into its spreads and demographic impacts. So let us explore the critical aspects of the pandemic and understand its implications for decision making and response strategies. So this is the overview of my project. Checking for null values and update, total number of rows, number of months present, start and end dates, monthly averages of cases, most frequent values by month, minimum and maximum values per year, total cases per month, spread analysis with respect to confirmed case, death case and recovered cases, country level analysis, and top 5 countries with the highest recovered cases. So this is the first question. Write a code to check the null values. This is the query I have written, and we can observe that there are no null values present in each column. So since there are no null values present, there is no need to update them for zeros for all columns. Next question is to check the total number of rows. So here I have used count function, and we can see that there are totally 78,386 rows present in the given data set. Next is to check the start date and end date of the pandemic. Here I have used min and max function. So we can see that the start date is Jan 22, 2020 and end date is June 13, 2021. Next is to find the number of months present in the data set. Here I have used timestamp diff function. I have written two queries. In the first one I have directly mentioned the start date and end date, and in the second one I have given the select function inside this timestamp diff function. Both gives the same output, that is there are totally 16 months between the start date and end date. Next is to find the monthly average of the confirmed death and recovered cases. This is the query I have written using average function to get our required output. Next question is to find most frequent values for confirmed death and recovered cases. So this is the query I have written using substring index and group concat. We get the required output. Next one is to find the minimum values of the confirmed death and recovered cases per year. So I have used the min function and we can see our output. Similarly, now we have to find the maximum values for confirmed death and recovered cases per year. Here again I have used the max function given group by year. So we can see that max values for the year 2020 and 2021 respectively. Next one is to find the total number of cases for confirmed death and recovered for each month. Here I have given sum function and we can see our desired output. Now we have to check how coronavirus spread out with respect to confirmed cases. That is, we have to calculate the total number of cases, their average, variance and standard deviation. Here I have used the functions of sum, average, variance and standard deviation for the confirmed column and we get our desired output. Similarly, for death cases, same functions have been used and we get the output. Lastly, with respect to recovered cases, I have used the same function and get the output. Next one is to find the country having the highest number of confirmed cases. Here I have used sum function and group by country region have been given. That too, limit is 1. So we can see that country US has the highest number of confirmed cases. Next one is to find the country having the lowest number of death cases. Here we can see that there are totally 4 countries having the death cases as 0. So this is the query I have written to find the desired output. Next one is to find the top 5 countries having highest recovered cases. So here again I have used the sum function, group by country or region column, and the limit has been mentioned to 5. So we can see that India, Brazil, US, Turkey and Russia have the highest recovered cases. So this is the conclusion of my project. The presentation aimed at providing insights into the pandemic's trajectory, facilitating informed decision making, and contribute to policy interventions in combating the global health crisis. The analysis also included the country level analysis, identifying countries with the highest number of confirmed and recovered cases, as well as those with the lowest number of death cases. The analysis journey dwelled into the intricate landscapes of the pandemic, leveraging SQL to extract valuable insights from the dataset. The key tasks included checking for null values, determining the row strength in data, identifying the span duration of data, calculating monthly average for cases, analyzing spread for respect to confirmed death and recovered cases, and conducting the country level cases. Thank you.